In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can activate double XP tokens here on your PC for Call of Duty Black Ops 7. This is super simple to go and do, so we're going to dive straight into this. But before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Let's go ahead and dive into this. Now, this is extremely easy to do, especially with Black Ops 7 just releasing. You may have a bunch of double XP tokens saved up from previous games like Call of Duty Black Ops 6 or for pre-ordering the game. On the bottom right hand side of your screen, once you're in like multiplayer or zombies, you're going to see this entire section that says view available tokens. Go ahead and select that, or you can simply press 3 to open it up and scroll over it with your mouse. You're going to see 3 different types of XP tokens. You're going to see normal XP, which is that level XP. You're going to see weapon XP and battle pass XP as well. As you can see, I already have a few tokens, but depending on your account, you may have more than me. Some of you guys are going to have 30 to 40 1-hour weapon XP tokens, and if you've been playing Call of Duty for a while, you might have even more. All you need to do to activate one is click on whatever token you want to use. Just keep in mind, XP tokens run on a real-time timer. So if you activate a 1-hour token and then get offline, that timer is going to keep running and the token is going to basically go to waste. Make sure you're ready to play for the full time before you activate anything, but that's really all there is to it. That's all you need to do. If you did find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.